Well, we've just finished cataloguing at Authentic Reclamation. We've got a big sale here on the 29th of April, a huge unreserved clearance auction, so everything is to be sold. As you can see behind me, we've got all this decorative statuary and whatnot, loads of pallets of yorkstone to go in, and in the purpose-built barn for this auction, there's lots of antiques, fire dogs, one-armed bandits, all sorts in there, so you've got loads you can get yourself sort of stuck into. We're on the saleroom.com and wellersauctions.com. You can come and view the sale. All the information's on the website and in our important information, so make sure you come and join us.